The scariest thing in life is not failure. It is not rejection, and not even death. It is waking up, realizing years were wasted, scrolling, comparing, waiting for weekends, doing nothing meaningful, surrounded by people who never cared about your future. And brutally, that is where most people live today. But nobody tells you the real secret. You do not need 5 years or 10. You need 6 months of silence, focus, and disappearance. Enough time to build the self you dreamed about. Today, imagine the journey of disappearing for 6 months. Delete social media. Ignore meaningless messages. Say no to parties, drama, and proving yourself. Wake up clear, knowing exactly what you are building. Each day you stack a future only you can see. It sounds powerful, but disappearing feels frightening. It feels lonely. It feels like missing out. So most people stay trapped in the same loop. But those who disappear come back unrecognizable. 6 months seems short, just half a year. Think back. What were you doing 6 months ago? Probably the same habits, distractions, and struggles. Now imagine spending those months locked in on yourself. You could have read 20 books. You could have built a stronger body. You could have launched something and rewired your mind. The compound effect of focus is ruthless. 6 focused months can put you years ahead. First rule, cut the noise. Noise steals energy and gives nothing back. Scrolling, gossip, fake friends, empty binges drain you. Disappear from distractions. Shrink your world. Expand your vision. Silence feels strange first, then your mind finally focuses. Then you see how much time was wasted. Next, build your fortress, your daily routine. Without structure, distractions always find a way back. Wake consistently, move daily, learn, work, rest well. This is not perfection. It is consistency and protection. Discipline protects your future self from regret. Then redesign your mind by leaving your old self. Your reality reflects old thoughts. New life needs new thinking. Read, journal, meditate, and learn from those ahead. You cannot build a new life with the same mind. Train like a warrior. Your body becomes your weapon. Fitness builds discipline, character, and proof you can do hard things. Then master your craft while others chase attention. Write, code, create, build. Return leveled beyond recognition. Loneliness tests you, then turns into self-awareness and strength. 6 months later, your body, mind, craft, and purpose transform. Where were you? Building. Promise yourself 6 months and return stronger.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything.